Easylifedeal presents Best Angle Grinders. Please watch the video till the end to find the perfect angle grinder for you. Our top pick, Makita 9557 PBX1 Angle Grinder. As our top pick, this durable tool is designed to meet consumer needs. Featuring a 7.5-amp motor made for efficiency, you get a higher performance in a more compact model. The durable aluminum case is made to withstand harsh treatment, boosting longevity to the tool, and there is an alternative power source that allows you to change between AC and DC power with a switch that is conveniently located on the side of the motor housing. Our second pick, BLACKDECKER BDEG 400 Angle Grinder. These sleek angle grinders are a versatile tool for many different facets of projects, and is capable of delivering 10,000 RPMs per operation. Included is the metal gear case that provides more durability and a longer lifespan. The 3-position side handle offers added comfort and better control when working with various materials. For easy accessory switching, this tool has a handy spindle lock and a convenient on-off switch that doesn't interfere with performance. Number 3, DEWALT DWE402 Paddle Switch Angle Grinder. Featuring the next generation 11-amp AC/DC 11,000 RPMs motor, this tool provides a great balance of power to weight and size available. This tool incorporates a dust ejection system that ejects harmful dust and debris, and the oversized brushes double the brush life from the previous model. Among many other features, there's a quick change wheel release and a safety lock-off to prevent accidental startups. Hitachi G12 SKIL Paddle Switch Angle Grinder is in the 4th position on our list. This compact model packs an impressive punch with ample durability and performance. Featuring an easy-to-use, large 4.5-inch paddle switch grinder for improved safety, and also sports a dual-position handle and an adjustable wheel guard that can be used for any desired angle. At only 3.5 pounds, this tool is easy to maneuver for any project. Number 5, Bosch 1375A Angle Grinder. This 3.75-pound, compact little workhorse features a powerful 6.0-amp motor with an 11,000 no-load RPM. There's also a comfortable, ergonomic grip and a 2-position side handle that helps you power through any project with ease. Made for metal fabrication, cutting rebar, tile and stucco, routing, polishing, and more. There is a lock-on switch mounted on the side, and service minder brushes that stop these grinders when maintenance is required. Number 6, SKIL Paddle Switch Angle Grinder. New technology abounds in this grinder with improved safety features, like a non-locking paddle switch on the bottom that automatically shuts off when released or dropped and a 3-position vibration-reducing handle for smoother handling. The 8-foot rubber cord is made for easier maneuvering and longer durability. Lightweight at less than 5 pounds, and the 7.5 amps motor with 11,000 RPMs is full of power.